Hello future CS, welcome back to my channel again, your one-stop guide for everything related to CA exams. If you are new here, I am Pooja, a chartered accountant. I have an experience of working for Ernst & Young and KPMG, and I help CA aspirants like you succeed with practical tips, strategies and support. And today I have an important update for all CA final students who are appearing for the January 2026 exams. So the ICI has made a very useful announcement that can truly boost your exam preparation. The commencement of the live virtual revisionary classes, that is LVRC. And the best part, these are absolutely free. So let's dive in and understand all the details about this. Guys, if you are new to my channel, please subscribe. Every subscription works like a motivation for me and it also makes my day. So guys, when you visit my channel in the playlist section, you can see there is a separate playlist for CA final exam. And there is also playlist for CA final auditing, CA final AFM, and also there is a playlist for this case scenario booklet where I'll be adding more videos by solving the case scenario questions. There is also a playlist as CAGPT for students. In this I have made some videos demonstrating different techniques in which you can use CAGPT while preparing for your CA exams. So please visit my channel and you can watch all of these videos. So first let's see as to what exactly are these LVRC. So basically they are specially designed online classes conducted by the ICI BOS to provide handholding and revision support to you all. So these classes will cover all the important topics, revision strategies. They will also clear your doubts and also there will be different types of MCQ practice in this. And apart from this, they will also give you notes and assignments which will give your preparation an extra edge. And also these classes are focused on helping you to face exams with confidence. And in case you are unable to attend the live session, do not worry. Recorded lectures will also be available, that too with unlimited access. So stay with me till the end to find out how to watch the recorded lectures. So now let me quickly walk you through the features of these sessions. So basically this will be one-on-one interaction through Zoom meetings. And also there will be interactive doubt solving with expert faculty. And in these classes, exam-centric approach will be followed. That is, they will discuss only what you need for the exams. Hence, no extra confusion. And they will give you detailed guidance on exam preparation. That is, how to approach the papers, how to revise, how to score better, etc. And apart from this, you have unlimited access to the recorded lecture if you miss the live session, as I mentioned above. And also you will be given notes, assignments, and also they'll give you different types of MCQ to practice. And these LVRC are conducted by the expert ICI faculty. So basically ICI is giving you a complete revision package, that too for free. So now if you are wondering how to join these classes, it's very simple guys. Just log in into the BOS Knowledge portal and then you will have to enter your details. That is your course, that is final, and then your registration number and date of birth. And once you log in, it will show you a page as Join LVRC Zoom Live Classes. So just you can click there and attend the Zoom live sessions. And also apart from Zoom, you can also access this on various multiple platforms like the ICI BOS mobile app. This is available both on the Google Play Store and the Apple Store. So you can access it from here. And then if you miss watching it live, you can watch the recorded session from the ICI CATube YouTube channel. So the link for all this has been given in the description below. You can watch it from there. So in the YouTube channel, a separate playlist will be made as LVRC January 2026. So in case you miss any live session, you can watch the recording from there. So basically you can attend these classes from your laptop, phone, or you can even later catch up on these classes from YouTube. So this is completely flexible. So now the most awaited part. When are these classes starting? So these classes will be starting from 13th October onwards. Now let's see the schedule and timing. So there will be two sessions. For some subject morning session and some subjects will be evening session. So the timing of morning session is 7 a.m. to 10 a.m. and the timing of the evening session will be from 6 p.m. to 9 p.m. So now let me share the subject wise schedule with you. Please note this down carefully because it will help you plan your revisions accordingly. So first we have paper 1 financial reporting. This is going to be a morning session, that is from 7 a.m. to 10 a.m. And then these classes will be held on Wednesday and Friday. And these are commencing from 15th October. Then next we have paper 2 advanced financial management. This is also going to be a morning session, that is 7 a.m. to 10 a.m. and this class will be held on Tuesdays and Thursdays and the commencement date is 14th October. Then paper number 3 advanced auditing assurance and professional ethics. This is also a morning session 7 a.m. to 10 a.m. and these will be held on Monday and Saturday and the date of commencement is 13th October. Then next we have paper 4 direct tax law and international taxation. This is going to be a evening session and these class will be held on Monday and Wednesday and the date of commencement is again 13th October. Then next we have paper 5 indirect tax law. This is also going to be a evening session, that is 6 p.m. to 9 p.m. and this will be held on Tuesdays and Thursdays and the date of commencement is 14th October. So all the subjects are covered systematically across different days, ensuring proper revision time. So guys, this is an amazing initiative by the ICI. It's a golden chance for you all to revise directly under the guidance of expert faculty, that too completely free of cost. So don't miss out on this. Mark your calendars for 13th October and make sure you attend these sessions regularly. I'll also keep sharing important updates, tips and strategies to help you clear your exams. If you found this video helpful, do like, share and subscribe to my channel so you don't miss on any future updates. All the best for your preparation. Stay focused, stay positive and I will see you all in the next video.